Hello programmers, today in this video I will discuss about the first problem of Codeforces round 980 division 2, and the problem name is profitable interest rate. Okay, so here this problem basically says Alice has a coin. She can open a bank deposit called profitable, but the minimum amount required to open this deposit is B coins. So B coins required to open the deposit. So after that, it says there is also a deposit called unprofitable, and there is which can be opened with any amount of coins. It may be zero, maybe two, maybe one, anything. So after that it says Alice noticed that if she opens the unprofitable deposit with X coins, the minimum amount required to open the profitable deposit decreases by 2x. I will discuss this line later while discuss about the test cases. Okay, so however these coins cannot later be deposited into the profitable deposit. So help Alice determine the maximum number of coins she can deposit into the profitable deposit. If she first deposits some amount of coins, possibly zero, into the unprofitable deposit, if Alice can never open the profitable deposit, output zero. So if I have answers, then I have to print it, and if if Alice can never open profitable deposit, then just print out zero. Okay, so let's discuss about the test case. You will understand more clearly. So for example, uh, I take the first test case 10 5. Okay, this one actually 10 5. So let's open Excalibur, sorry, Excalibur, and this is 10 5. And how can I solve this? So first of all, look at the question. Okay, so here it in the note section it says in the first test case is greater than B, so Alice can immediately open the profitable deposit with all 10 coins. Here the first value means that the number of coins Alice has, and the second value is basically in the initial minimum amount required to open the profitable deposit. That means you have 10 coins initially in your uh, that means you have 10 coins initially, and to create a deposit you required 5 coins. Okay, so since you have 10 coins and the required amount is less than 10, so you can easily create your deposit. And so in this case 10 will be the answer. Okay, in this case 10 will be the answer. Okay, after that, for example, if I take this 7 9. So if this is the test case, so what will be the answer? So for this test case, here in the note section it says in the second test case Alice can open the unprofitable deposit with two coins, then she will have 5 coins left. Okay, and then it says but the minimum amount required to open the profitable deposit will decrease by 4 coins, making it equal to 5 coins. Thus Alice will be able to open the profitable deposit with 5 coins. And okay, so it basically says that Alice can open the unprofitable deposit with 2 coins. Okay, so you have in this case you have 7 coins in total, and you need 9 coins to open the deposit. Your main target is opening the deposit actually, but here in the second test case you need 9 coins to open the deposit, but you have only 7 coins. You need 2 coins more to open the deposit, but you does not have any more coin. So how can you solve this? So to solve this problem you need to open an unprofitable deposit. Here it basically it says create an unprofitable deposit with 2 coins. So if I open an unprofitable deposit with 2 coins, what happens then? So For example, if I open an unprofitable deposit, it needs 2 coins, so I have already 7 coins, and I use 2 coins to open an unprofitable deposit, and if I subtract this, I will get 5 as my output. Okay, I will get 5 as my output, and uh, 5 is my total coin. Okay, and if we do unprofitable task, then one thing will happen here. It says the minimum amount required to open the unprofitable deposit decreases by 2x. That means if you perform an unprofitable deposit, then the profitable deposit decreases by 2x. That means this value actually 9, this value will decreases by 2x. So since x, the value of x is equal to 2, so 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to what? Is it basically 5. So you have 5 coins and you required 5 coins to open the deposit. So since you met the criteria, that's why you can open a deposit with 5 coins, and that's why in this case, in the second test case, the answer is 5 coins. So if you just see my submission here, what I did basically, zoom a little bit more. Okay, so at first I take two integer a and b from the user, and a means basically I what the amount of coins I have, and b basically means the amount of coin requires to open a profitable. Okay, that means profitable deposit. Okay, so then I run a if loop, and it the condition is if a is greater than b. Basically it's for the first test case. If in this condition occurs, a is greater than b, I just print the value a and return it, and if this is not the case, I just subtract it, b minus a, basically 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, and after subtracting this, what I have to do, I have to just decreases the value of value b, because since I want to make a unprofitable deposit, here already I did this unprofitable deposit, and in returns what I have to do, I have to just subtract 2 into x. That means this condition actually, profitable deposit will decreases by 2x. So just I decrease the profitable deposit, which is actually b, by 2x. Okay, so after that, if this is a condition actually, so sometimes you can get negative answers. So if you get negative answers, then in this case you have to print 0, otherwise you have to print is b, because I already show you that this is the sub value. Okay, this 5 is basically the value of sub sub, basically subtract. So after that I decreases the deposit value, so b is equal to something. So it basically means this value actually. So this is the value of b, and this is the value of sub. Okay, this is the value of sub, and this is the value of b. So you can say that this is the answer actually, since we already made the condition criteria. That's why I just printed the value of b, and if b is negative, then I just assign 0 to it and return the answers. Okay, I hope you will understand this problem, and this is basically simple. You have to just observe the problem carefully and read the test cases. Read the note section to clearly analyze those test cases, how it actually works. Okay, that's all from this video. Hope you will understand everything. Thank you.